बंगाल की खाड़ी से उठा तूफान फिंगर शनिवार शाम तक पुडुचेरी के कराईकल और तमिलनाडु के महाबलीपुरम जिले के बीच समुद्र तट से टकराएगा, जिसको लेकर मौसम विभाग ने अलर्ट जारी कर दिया है। मौसम विभाग ने इस तूफान के दौरान 90 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से हवा चलने का अनुमान जताया है। तमिलनाडु और पुडुचेरी के कुछ इलाकों में भारी बारिश की भी आशंका है। ये झलकियां तमिलनाडु से आ रही हैं, जो दिखने में काफी भयावह लग रही हैं। समुद्र में ऊंची लहरें उठ रही हैं, आसमान में काले बादल छाए हुए हैं। चेन्नई के आईएमडी प्रमुख ने इस तूफान को लेकर क्या कुछ जानकारी दी, सुनिए।
A cyclone type of things, all these things is considered various factor determines like how the wind converges lower level and diverges to upper level, and mid level how the moisture is taking place, concussion is taking place. Various factors like this. Only few I maintain. There will be competing factors in this one. So when initially the system was there in the southeast bay and approaching Sri Lanka coast, it was in good condition, and then as it approached, there was day to day, if you see, that convergence at lower level was increasing. Then after that 27 to 28, there was decreasing tendency in the convergence at lower levels. Also, the system was very near to the skirting the Sri Lanka coast. We might have known very spread rainfall activity, very extreme rainfall activity occurred at the Sri Lanka. So all moisture drained out. The system is not having enough moisture. Its speed is almost stalled, and it is very almost stationary for a few hours. And after that, the bands also not developed. Radar bands are not going to the system, so it is not moving. So slowly, as it started to move towards the from the Sri Lanka area and moving to the ocean area, again moisture picked up. So convergence also taking place. All these things resulted in the, and shear also variation take place.
Where will be more impacts?
Mostly coastal districts. The crossing point is between Karaikal to Mahabalipuram near Puducherry. So all along the coast distal districts there will be impact, will be more. Wind will be also there.
पुडुचेरी में भी कुछ ऐसा ही हाल है। तूफान के चलते सड़कों पर पत्ते सामान बिखरे दिख रहे हैं और ऊंची ऊंची लहरें समुद्र किनारे लगे पत्थरों से टकरा रही हैं। वहीं हल्की से मध्यम बारिश भी हो रही है। ये तस्वीरें आंध्र प्रदेश के विशाखापट्टनम से आई हैं, जहां फिलहाल हल्की हवाएं चल रही हैं और समुद्र में ऊंची लहरें उठ रही हैं। विशाखापट्टनम चक्रवात चेतावनी केंद्र के एमडी ने बताया कि इस तूफान के कितना नुकसान पहुंचाने की आशंका है।
At 29 November 2024, or the same region near latitude 10.6 degrees northern latitude and longitude of 82.6 degrees east, about 270 kilometers northeast of Trincomalee, and 300 kilometers east of Nagapattinam, 340 kilometers of southeast of Puducherry, and 380 kilometers southeast of Chennai. It is likely to move in northwestwards and intensify into cyclonic storm during next 6 hours. Thereafter, it is likely to continue to move northwestwards and cross North Tamil Nadu, Puducherry coast between Karaikal and Mahabalipuram close to Puducherry. As a cyclonic storm with a wind speed of 70 to 80 kilometers per hour and gusting to 90 kilometers per hour during the afternoon of 30th November 2024. And in view of the coming cyclonic storm, and Cyclone Warning Center has issued cyclone alert for adjoining districts of Tamil Nadu. That is Nellore, Chittoor and Tirupati. These districts were warned for cyclone alert. And in the wake of the present deep depression and coming cyclonic storm, we have given extremely heavy rainfall warnings for the districts of Nellore, Tirupati and Chittoor for the next 24 hours, and heavy to very heavy rainfalls at Annamaya district, and heavy rainfall warnings for YSR Kadapa district and Prakasam district of coast of Andhra Pradesh.
For exclusive and insightful videos, subscribe to our new channel ABP Live Premium.